Hey there, guys. It's meteorologist Anthony J, and we're doing some weather talk today across the world. And you can see we've got, want to talk about what's going on in the hurricane season. Currently, there are no hurricanes or typhoons anywhere on the earth right now, which is highly unusual because this is the peak of the season for them to be. But as you can see, the National Hurricane Center has issued an alert about a 90% probability of seeing a tropical cyclone, meaning a tropical depression or tropical storm forming over the next couple of days. This is the area that's located in. The satellite picture, well, there it is. This is a pretty good looking tropical wave right now, nearing tropical depression status. This could be one by before the end of Monday. I'm recording this about 3:30 Pacific time. Elsewhere in the Atlantic Ocean, not much to worry about. Some areas of thunderstorms, another wave coming off West Africa, but the Hurricane Center is only monitoring this one right now. And earlier, a couple of weeks ago, we had a tropical system in the same area as this, was forecast to be Gabrielle, never materialized. Here's a close-up view of the wave. Uh, Based on what I'm seeing here, there's good moisture in the area and higher humidity. So that's what you need. There's been a lot of dry air in the Atlantic this season, prohibiting these systems from developing. But this looks like it is likely on its way now to becoming Gabrielle. Let me show you the forecast models here, our wonderful forecast models, and they are showing up. There it is showing up tomorrow. May already be a tropical storm on the Euro model, the ECMWF model. We'll follow this over the next few days. Essentially, the GFS was similar, forming a tropical storm this week and taking it in the direction of, well, the open Atlantic. And then by early next week, intensifying it more quickly to perhaps a strong hurricane by that time. You see, it has it turning north by that, about a week from now. Let me show you another perspective. This is the forecast clouds of this, and you can tell that given it's kind of stretched out, that it might be some good wind shear over it, inhibiting it from forming for the next few days, at least forming quickly. And then it has to becoming a hurricane up there, just like it showed on the operational model. And that's what it may look like by about Monday next week. Monday, Tuesday, a hurricane off of the eastern seaboard, but it is way offshore. And that's what many of the tracks are showing. The plots here show it moving west, northwest, maybe west for a little while, and then back north again. So another perspective shows even farther offshore. So this may stay out in the Atlantic. We'll have to see. The forecasts are usually much less accurate past 7 days. So we'll watch that carefully. But that has been the trend so far this season for the storms to miss that form out there or not even form at all. In the Eastern Pacific Ocean, there's a tropical storm now, Mario, that is brushing offshore of Baja California, and it's forecast to move northwest and dissipate by about Wednesday. There was some talk that this could bring some heavier rain across northwestern Mexico and the southwestern U.S. Looks like there'll be less of a factor as we move through time now. In the Western Pacific Ocean, where we see some of our biggest storms ever on the planet, we call them typhoons. It's just a nomenclature issue or difference. They call them hurricanes here. In the Pacific, they call them typhoons. In the Bay of Bengal, they're called cyclones, and also around Australia. In any case, there are no tropical cyclones anywhere in this whole zone. There might be better chance over the next few days. They're watching a couple areas. I'm just showing you this because emphasizing the fact there's no activity over so much of the globe, which is unusual. But that's a time of year where things really get busy too in the Western Pacific. I want you to find my USA weather page, Anthony J's USA Weather. I'll be posting all kinds of weather updates when hurricanes come, any kind of severe weather coming up into the winter storms. Find me right here. And on my YouTube channel, Ajax's News, Weather, and Entertainment channel, I'll be posting all kinds of content. You can see some of it here. So thank you for the ad and subscribe. Have a great week, everybody. Be safe and don't let anything hurt you.